In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add real estate to your Wealthfront account. Managing your diverse portfolio can be a bit of a challenge, especially when it comes to tracking real estate investments alongside your other assets. Lucky for us, Wealthfront offers a way to manually input such assets, ensuring you have a comprehensive view of your financial landscape. Let's dive right into the steps to make sure you can effectively track your real estate investments with Wealthfront. To begin, you'll need to visit the Wealthfront support page dedicated to tracking accounts, assets, or liabilities that can't be linked electronically. The direct page we're talking about provides insights and assistance for those assets that you can't connect through direct means online. Once you're on this page, check the guidelines and frequently asked questions that can give you deeper insights into how this process works. Now, assuming you've grasped the overarching guidance from Wealthfront support, the next step is to focus on the option where you can manage an asset or liability that isn't electronically linked. If you find yourself in this situation, Wealthfront conveniently provides a manual tracking option. This feature is pivotal as it gives you control over adding any asset type, including real estate, manually. Head over to your Wealthfront dashboard and locate the Link an Account button. Click on it, and you'll notice a Track Manually option pop up. This is your gateway to adding any non-traditional or manually assessed assets like real estate. When you opt to manually track an asset, Wealthfront will ask you to input certain details, including the current value of your real estate asset. Keep in mind, though, that the system will only project the future value based on the initial information you enter. These projections are stable and helpful, but they won't dynamically update unless you manually adjust the values. Therefore, it's essential to periodically revisit and update the information as the market or the circumstances of your real estate asset change. This ongoing effort will ensure that your financial projection maintains as much accuracy as possible. While it's important to measure the potential growth of your real estate investments within your portfolio, remember that the balance showcase won't update in real time with market fluctuations or any changes in asset value over time. Regularly revisiting the input data can keep your financial plan aligned with your real investments. This manual tracking capability within Wealthfront not only bolsters your financial oversight, but also gives you a more holistic view of your wealth, accounting for all those assets that play a crucial role in your financial health but are otherwise hard to connect electronically. That covers everything you need to know about adding real estate to Wealthfront. By following these straightforward steps, you're on your way to having a more comprehensive and inclusive financial portfolio view. Thanks for tuning in, and don't forget to keep your asset details up to date for the most accurate projections.